Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we are going to look on how to buy Bitcoin on Webull. Once you open up your Webull account, tap on Markets, then on the search bar, search for BTC. Make sure you select BTC USD and tap on it. Once you get this screen, you can see a trade button right here on the bottom left like this. I do not have that option because currently Webull does not operate in my region. So tap on the trade icon here. Once you tap on it, you will get this screen. Select your order type, how much quantity of crypto you want to buy, etc. And then just tap on buy. Once you tap on buy, you will be asked to confirm your order, and then once you confirm it, you will have successfully bought Bitcoin. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.